Now let's do problems on motion. So a problem is on the board now. Problems on motion. The first problem is what? In the above figure, distance and versus time. So I have drawn a figure, a graph, distance versus time, showing motion of two cars, car A and car B. Okay, are given. Now which car moves fast? This is the question. Now which car you think moves fast? Before seeing my video, you comment and check your answer. Yeah, most of you will say, most of the students say that B is moving fast. Very few will say that A is moving fast, and the answer is A. Fast, when it is fast, it is how do you calculate? Very simple. You just take one line from here, straight away one line. Yeah, don't go to B. Just stop it here and straight away come down. Straight away draw one line like this. This is for your understanding only. What do you understand now here? What do you understand? Tell me. Say for a period of 5 minutes. Suppose that the time is 5 minutes. Because time is taken on x-axis and distance or displacement is taken on y-axis. Say after 5 minutes, both cars started at the same time. Both cars started at the same time. After 5 minutes, see this red line has touched B here. So you draw back. Say it is 15 meters. Then what about A? A is at a distance of 20 meters at least, more than B. That's all. So simple to say. So simple to say that car A is traveling fast. Still once again I will tell you. You are drawing a straight line to A and then down to x-axis where you have taken time. You take it on your account like 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, car B is at a distance of 15 meters, while for the same 5 minutes, car A is at a distance of 20 or more than B. Therefore, car A is said to be traveling fast. So car A, I'll write down with the other pen. Car A is traveling fast. Answer: car A is traveling fast. Yes, I'll come back with the next question. Now let's do the second problem. Okay, the second problem is what? A train of length 50 meter is moving with a constant speed. What is the speed? 10 meter per second. He is asking you to calculate time taken by the train to cross an electric pole. So first, time taken by the train to cross the electric pole. So you have to find time. Then afterwards you have to find again time taken by the train to cross the bridge, which is 250 meter. So as it is stated, there are answers also. You should get an answer of 5 seconds for the first case and 30 seconds for the second case. So whenever you do problems, better you take down given values. So what is a given value? First case, train of length 50 meters. So length is equal to 50 meter. Good, very good, right. Then what else? Moving the constant speed of, see, it is 10 meter per second. By looking at the units also, you can simply decide that it is speed, because it is distance by time. What is the unit here? Meter, means it is length. Now let us find time. So actually speed is equal to what? Since speed is given, speed is equal to distance by time. Now, is speed given? Yes, speed is given, 10 meter per second. Is distance given? Yes, distance is nothing but length. Yes, given. What is not given? Time. So cross multiply. Time is equal to, it is distance by speed. So what is the distance given to you? 50. So it is 50 by speed is how much? 10. So your answer is 5 seconds. 10 ones are 10 5s are. First part is over. Second part again, distance or length, both means same, or length it is. Already 50 meters is the distance of the train, okay, length of the train, and 250 is the length of the bridge. So on the whole it is 300 meters. Now again, what else is available to you? Velocity. Velocity is how much it is? 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Same thing again, you require to calculate time. Time is equal to what? Distance by speed. Because speed is equal to distance by time. Now you are supposed to find time, therefore cross multiply. Time is equal to speed will come over here. Therefore it is distance by time. Distance is how much here? 300 here. 300 by time. Speed is how much? 10. Therefore your answer is 30 seconds because you are finding time. Right. So let us now see problem number 3. Problem. What is the average speed of cheetah that sprints 100 meter in 4 seconds? What if it sprints 50 meter in 2 seconds? Two concepts are there. One is it can sprint 100 meter in 4 seconds. Other case it can sprint 50 meter in 2 seconds. And the answer is 25 meter per second because you are finding speed. Speed is distance by time. So it's understood. But the thing, interesting thing here, it is 2 cases. First case, so you have to solve it like this. Case 1. Let us take given values in case 1. Given. What is given? Speed of cheetah, and you will find average speed of cheetah. So average speed is equal to question mark meter per second. Yes, but it can sprint 100 meter. By looking at the unit meter, it's very clear that it is distance. So yes, distance is equal to 100 meter. Then what is the time given for that? Second means it is unit for time. So it is 4. So it is time. So he is asking you to find average speed. So what is speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So when you speak about average, what is it? Total distance by total time. When you come across a word average, you just add total. So what is the total distance here? 100 meter. What is the total time taken? 4. So your answer is 25 meter per second. This is case 1. Average speed. Now coming to case 2. Again given. Yes, it is said that cheetah can sprint how much? 50 meter. Again it's a unit for length. Nothing your topic here is distance. What is 2 seconds? 2 seconds. Second is a unit for time. So he is giving you time again. So you have to find same average speed. Average speed is what? Total distance. Just now I told you speed is distance by time. When it is total, when it is average, you have to write total. So what is the total distance here? 50. By what is the time given? 2. So your answer is again 25 meter per second. Average speed. Yes, this is what problem number 3 is. Now we will solve problem number 4. Let's see the next problem. Problem on the board. A car travels a speed of 80 km per hour during first half of its running time and 40 km per hour during the other half. Means first thing you have to understand. Many of them think that what could be the time actually. It's very clear from the problem, okay? Solution is like this actually. The total distance is this much. A person is starting from here and he is going to attend a meeting which is at this spot. Imagine this is A and this is B. This much is a journey, distance. Fix actually distance. How? You see, during his first half of the running time, suppose say he has to travel this distance and he should be at this point at say 9 am. Now he started at 8. So he thought he may be late to reach that point. So in the beginning what did he do? This total distance, first he picked up fast with a great speed. That means for first half of his journey, he covered a distance of 80 km in 1 hour. That means first hour he was very hurry. Then what happened? He thought that okay, he will not get late to this point. So he started breaking down his speed. Then the remaining part of his journey is 40 km only. That he covered in a period of 1 hour. You try to understand actually problem. That is important thing. Car travels at a speed of, means a person is driving the car, isn't it? So a car travels with a speed of 80 km per hour. That may be speed actually. You can simply consider it as speed. But he is telling that during the first half of the running time means total time is considered as running time. Therefore, he is traveling a distance of 120. So first 80 he covered in 1 hour, second 40 he covered in 1 hour. That means here his speed is reduced and here his speed is more. So what to do now? So the problem is, what is he asking you to find? Average speed. So it's like this, average speed. Here nothing but what I told you, distance by time. Distance by time. What is distance by time? Speed is equal to distance by time. Since you said average, it is total distance by total time. So one by one let us find out total distance. Because if you find this no total distance, you can replace it here. So the total distance is 80 plus 40, it is equal to 120 km. Next what happened? You want total time. So it is total time. 1 hour plus 1 hour, it is equal to 2 hours. Then now let us do average speed. Yes, average speed is equal to total distance by total time, as it is already told, 120 by 2. Therefore your answer is 60 km per hour. This is your answer, 60 km per hour. Let's now see the next problem. It's a wonderful problem, a very important problem, a big problem also. You concentrate well on this problem. So what is it told? A particle covers 10 meter. A particle covers 10 meter in first 5 seconds and 10 meter in next 3 seconds. Assume constant acceleration. So you have to find initial speed, acceleration and distance covered in the last, that is next 2 seconds. So I want to tell you one thing, particle problem, it's a famous problem actually. It is like this actually. This is what the problem is. So he is telling that a particle is moving. A particle is moving like this. So first it covers a distance of how much? 10 meter. In how much time? 5 seconds. So you can consider this one. 10 meter in 5 seconds. First part is over. Then again what happens? It is covering another 10 meter distance in a period of 3 seconds. Okay, done. So this is going on. Now we have to find the distance at the end. Okay, what is the distance covered in the next 2 seconds last? So time is given. Time throughout the problem, time is given 5, then 3, then 2. Distance is 10. First 10 is given, second 10 is given. It is told here first for the first one. First 10 is given. Next also it is given 10 meter. Here 10 meter. Next one. Okay. Now, what is not given is this distance. Very interesting problem. Follow properly. Right, let us start. So, let us first do the problem here, this part first. For understanding purpose, I am writing like this, first purpose. First, so given S is how much? S is 10 meter. Given. Time is how much? Time 5 seconds. This is first part of the problem. So let us substitute in S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So what is S? 10 meter. 10 meter is equal to, what is initial speed or velocity? Not given. Only two things are available here, S and T. So U is not given, U. Time is given, so let it be 5 seconds plus half. A is not given. Yeah, A is not given, okay, but time is again given, 5 square. So it is now 10 is equal to 5U. It's 5U, not 54, okay, plus 5 square is how much? 25A by 2, okay. So let us do LCM and all that. 10 is equal to, LCM is how much? 2. So 1 goes into 2 times, 2 5s are, it is 10U, right, plus 2 goes into 1 time, therefore it is 25a. Now cross multiply this side, 2 with 10, so it's 20 is equal to 10u plus 25a. So let us divide this by 5. So you get an equation here. This 4 is equal to 5 1s are 5 2s are 2u plus 5 5s are, so it is 5a. This you consider as equation 1. First part is over. Then next, let us see the next part. Again, when you speak about the next part, I am making it clear for you. You need to start from the beginning till here, it is till here, okay, at test stretch. So this is your second part. To understand easily, it's better consider like this. So total now distance is how much? 10 plus 10 meter, that is 20 meter. Time is how much now? Same, 5 plus 3. So it is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 seconds. Yes, let's start. Substituting the same s is equal to ut plus half a t square. Now what is s here? 20 is equal to u. Your time is 8 seconds plus half a into 8 square. Okay. So now let us continue. It is 20 over here is equal to 8u. It's 8u, not 84. It is 8u. 8 into u is 84. 8u plus 8 square is 64. So it is 64a by 2. So again same thing. LCM is 2. 1 goes into 2 times. So 2's 8s are 16u plus 64a, and here it is 20. Now cross multiply. 22's are, it is 40 is equal to 16u plus 64a. So multiply, divide this by 8. What is that you get? Come on, tell me. It is how much here? 5. Right? Is equal to 8 1s 8 2s are, it is 2u plus 8 1s 8 8s are 8a. This is your equation 2. So now what shall we do? Let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what is your first equation? You are going to subtract 1 from 2. So second equation is 5 is equal to 2u plus 8. 4 is equal to 2u plus 5. So minus over here. So what happens now? Plus 2u and minus 2u gets cancelled. What is left over for you here? 8 minus 5 is 3. And how much is this one? 1. Okay. I forgot to write a is a. Therefore, you got 1 is equal to 3a. Therefore, a is equal to how much? 1 by 3 meter per second square, because it is acceleration. I got the first answer. Okay, a is done. Now what shall we do? Let us take equation 2. 5 is equal to 2u plus 8a. At the place of a, let me substitute its value. Just now I got a. So it's right. Therefore it is 5 is equal to 2u plus 8 by 3. So again LCM 5 is equal to, LCM is 3. So 1 goes in 3 times, 3 2s are 6u plus 8. Then cross multiply here. 5 3s, it is 15 is equal to 6u plus 8. 6u is equal to, you send this 8 to the other side, 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Then u is equal to what? 7 by 6 meter per second. You got it here. 7 by 6 meter per second. Okay. So I need to draw first part of the problem for easy understanding. So first part, because I don't have much space. Okay, then last phase of the problem. Now you got u also, right? Therefore, again distance, total distance, we don't know now this part x, but time is given. Time is what? First part, you remember here 5, it was 5, then it is 3, then again last one is 2 seconds. So on the whole it is 10 seconds. So the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square minus 20. Now to get this distance, you have to remove this 10 plus 10. Therefore S is how much? We don't know. Let it be S only. S, okay. What is u now? U 7 by 6. Okay, done. 7 by 6. Okay. Into, what is the time here? Time 10 seconds. So it is 10 plus half a 1 by 3, because you know a 1 by 3 into t square. T is your 10. Therefore it's t square minus 20. Therefore S is equal to 7 into 10, 70 by 6 plus, how much is this one? 1 into 1 is 1, 100 square, 10 square means 100. So it is 100 by 2 3s are 6 minus 20 by 1. Now the LCM is how much? 6. LCM is 6. 6 goes in 6 one time, therefore it is 70 plus 100 minus 6, how many times it will go? 6, 6 2 is 12, it is 120. S is equal to, S is equal to 170, it's 170 minus 120 by 6, which is nothing but 50 by 6. Right, 50 by 6 will get the answer as 8.33 meter. This is the problem. A very good and a huge problem. Did you understand what we did? First case, we should start here. Yes, I took it as 10 and time period was 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So you have to do the problem at this area first. Once you finish it, then what else? Again, S will be 20 and time will be 8. With that you will get one more equation. So you have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. With that, what is it? You will get A. You will get A. Substitute that A in any of these equations. So I have substituted in equation 2. With that, what is it I got? I got U. I got U. Right? 7 by 6. Then I went for the last topic. I don't know this distance. So my distance is question mark over here. But I know the time total time is 10 seconds. So I did and I got it. Once again I tell you this part first. Then from here to here second. Then last one is what? Time is okay, but you don't know this distance. So minus 20, if you continue, then you will get the problem. Thank you.